Hello and welcome to the next episode. I can't remember what number we're even on anymore. And I'm pretty sure I missed last week, but of weekly treats for Dog Eat Blog World. Okay, so today we're going to be making peanut butter and banana ice cream. I feel like there's a theme going on with peanut butter and banana. Seems to be in pretty much every homemade dog treat recipe. So I'm getting this recipe off of dogtipper.com. So thanks, Dog Tipper. Excuse me. So this recipe calls for more bananas than I have. It says 3 to 4 ripe bananas. I only have 1, so we're going to cut this into thirds. So we're going to do some math today. So also in the original recipe it says 32 ounces of yogurt. So we're going to do 32 to about, oh wait, that didn't work. Yeah, about 10 ounces. Let's see. Okay, well, it's that in cups. Let's look this shit up quick. 10 ounces to cups. All right, so 1 ounce equals 1.125 cups. Okay, so if we need to get 10 ounces, 1 and 1/4 cups of peanut butter. Geez Louise. Math. And then the last ingredient is going to be 1/3 cup of peanut butter. All right. So, and then it says just to put them all together in a blender and blend them up. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So I got 1 banana and I got the blender over here. I'll bring it over here. Excuse my kitchen, it's a mess. I've got Kita and Penny here waiting for me to drop something. You can't have it. Not yet. All right. So I've got 1 banana. And, oh yeah, so this week I'm going to do royalty-free music so I don't use anyone's copyrighted music. Let's see, what are we using? We're listening to Jazzy Frenchie. So I just Googled royalty-free music into Google, obviously, hence the word Googled. And get some royalty-free music for any other YouTubers out there looking to put some music on your show. Right, so we got 1 banana. Then it was 1 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Got some plain yogurt here. Ugh. Okay. And then, excuse me, losing my voice. 1/3 cup of peanut butter. I'm just going to blend this stuff together. We'll call that good. So in the original recipe, it said to put it in an ice cube tray, but I'm just gonna put it in this Tupperware, and then we'll scoop it out like actual ice cream for the dogs. Alright, so that's all I got. We're gonna put this in the freezer for a couple of hours, and then we'll scoop it out for the dogs. And maybe for the humans too. We'll see how it looks. Alright, it's been a couple of hours. I've changed since then. We got the ice cream out of the freezer. So let's see how this looks. Nice. All right, now we'll give it to the dogs. Here, Penny. Good girl, Dayami. Good girl. Well, there you have it. I'll give it a taste also. Just for funsies. Probably shouldn't just lick the one that the dogs just licked. I'm just now realizing. I wouldn't recommend it for humans, but for dogs, tastes great. All right, thanks for joining this week of Dog Eat Blog World. We'll see you next week.